Keyboard shortcut to pull Google Chrome tab into its own window. Is there a keyboard shortcut, or extension, that lets you rip a tab into a new window in Google Chrome instead of using the mouse?
A workaround would be Ctrl+L, plus C, plus W, plus N, plus V, and enter. Or F6, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+N, Ctrl+V, enter, and an optional Alt+Tab, Ctrl+W, Alt+Tab, to close the old tab. You could automate the whole thing with AutoIt, under Windows, and create a hotkey for it. Here, it's Ctrl+Alt+X. I always have an additional application like this running in the background, offering useful keyboard shortcuts which automate and simplify tasks. Alternatively, you can hit Ctrl+L instead of F6, which would be substantially easier as your hand does not have to leave the home row.
With the Vimium extension for Chrome, Shift+W will move the current tab to a new window. This was added in version 1.43, May 18, 2013, Vimium on GitHub.
On Mac you can add custom shortcuts for any menu option. The option to detach a tab is named Move Tab to New Window. It has to be written exactly as in the menu, including capitalization of letters, so just add this to the shortcuts under Settings, and select Application Google Chrome. And then choose a shortcut, like CMD plus Shift plus W or whatever. Just make sure it's a unique combination, or it won't work.
No out-of-the-box solution, but here is an open-source Chrome extension that does exactly that, tab to window/popup.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.